Dear user friends, it's my honor to introduce to you the newly launched AI note-taking feature on the Jnotes mobile app. You can click on an AI note at the bottom of the homepage and consume Beancoin to generate the corresponding AI notes. Remember to select the language and level of detail you want first. Now you can check the generated AI notes. The button at the bottom allows you to preview all the way to the end with one click. If you are not satisfied with this note generation, you can regenerate the AI notes in the Yunbo floating ball. You can also switch between documents and notes for preview. Also, AI notes from the same account will also be synchronized on the Jnotes.ai website. Additionally, in the AI tools, you can check the remaining number of Beancoin and recharge. Jnotes is always committed to creating a more efficient way of taking notes. Go to Jnotes to experience the newly launched AI note-taking feature now.